Welcome back to Houston Live. Derrick Shore here along with the one and only Christina Wells. And today we continue our summer series, Eat Like a Local, where we're checking out some of the best places to eat in Houston.
It's summer, and for many, that means burger season.
And don't forget the fries as well. Houston chef Chris Shepard takes us inside Champ Burger, a local joint that's been serving up classic American burgers for 60 years.
All right, so we're at Champ Burger over on the east side of downtown. 60 years they've been doing this. Super old school classic burgers. Reminds you of what your grandparents used to make for you. One of my favorites in this city. So let's check this out.
I would consider it old school burger.
I love your burger. I've been having them since I was a little girl.
It's simple, it's good, fresh fare, at a good price.
This place it's meant a lot to me. When I first had it, I was like, because it took me right back to my childhood. I mean, immediately back. Because it was the freshest, it was the cleanest. It was just like what my grandparents would cook on Saturdays or Sundays or on the weekends when we were sitting around as a family, and that was what it was to me.
Champ Burger's been in this same location for 60 years without a dining room. It's walk up, counter service, but it takes care of the neighborhood. Folks from all over come, but it really is about being a part of your community and taking care of that. That's what makes this place so special.
You know, we've taken care of our little neighborhood, and the neighborhood's taken care of us.
Now, bringing along a good friend of mine, Chef Ryan Lashane, who is the chef and owner at Eado here in Houston. He and I have cooked for a long time together, and we go way back, and always having the conversations about burgers. Burgers of all types. He does something different at his restaurant, but I wanted him to see what's going on these days down at Champ. Not even 11 a.m. And, I mean, what's your move?
I'm gonna go with the Champ Bacon Cheeseburger. I think I might throw a chili cheese dog in the mix there too.
You should.
Just see what happens.
I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna throw a chicken fried steak sandwich on it.
Now that is a beef cutlet that is battered and deep fried and put on a bun, brother. Yeah, you know, that's another old school thing. Back in the 50s, that was hot. You know, a chicken fried steak sandwich.
So that's what it is. When I see steak sandwich, it's a chicken fried steak sandwich.
You know, it gets confused a lot of times with like a Philly or something like that, but it's chicken fried steak on a bun.
I can't tell you how excited I am right now. And I'm gonna tell you that the chili dog container is it's like the built for speed and happy. Did they do yours that way too? Cheese on the bottom?
Yeah.
That is
unconventional.
very unconventional. But I mean, just that whole look right there.
Yeah. Here's your bacon.
Whew. Steak sandwich, which in my head, when I read it, was like maybe like a little strip steak, ribeye, whatever.
A little sliced up and put
That
it on there.
thing is a perfect round of crispy fried chicken fried steak.
Get at it.
Toasted bun. I can see why that is world famous.
We try hard every day. We try to put our best foot forward every day. You know, we try to do the best job we can do every day.
I think you're doing it.
Simple fare.
It's something that you should be very proud of.
All right, Chris Shepard, he always knows best. That's what my mama taught me. Chris Shepard always knows best, right? You can keep up with all of our Eat Like a Local restaurants on our website. Just go to the Scene on Houston Life section of HoustonLife.tv.